How to connect your wallet to Rocky Rabbit. Today, we're gonna learn how to connect your wallet to Rocky Rabbit so you can transfer tons and withdraw them. So let's get started. You need to click on the airdrop section in the bottom right place of the app. When you enter, you're gonna see a section that shows you two options, airdrop and wallet. Go to wallet. After that, you're gonna find the option to connect your wallet in the bottom section of the page. So you want to go ahead and click it. Then, a lot of options will appear like connect to Townkeeper, connect to wallet on Telegram, and connect to dWallet. You can choose the ones that fits you best, do the verifications, then you're all done. Just like so, you will see that your wallet is now connected in the airdrop section. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.